Introducing the Zontes 368G, it's a new generation crossover adventure scooter, known for its aggressive, Gundam-inspired styling, robust features, and powerful 368 cubic centimeters engine. The 368G blends everyday scooter convenience with light trail capability, featuring spoked wheels, semi-off-road tires, and adjustable suspension. High-tech amenities like keyless ignition and extensive LED lighting make it equally ready for daily commuting and weekend adventure rides. The Zontes 368G is powered by a 368 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder DOHC engine that produces around 38.8 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful scooters in the 350 to 400 cubic centimeters class, capable of exceeding 150 km per hour, while delivering an estimated fuel consumption of about 3.5 liters per 100 kilometers and a cruising range of up to 500 kilometers from its 17.5-liter fuel tank. The Zontes 368G features a rugged chassis designed for real off-road capability, with a 41mm inverted front fork and dual gas-charged rear shocks, both fully adjustable for rebound and compression. It rides on tubeless wire-spoked wheels, a 17-inch front and a 14-inch rear, fitted with dual-purpose semi-off-road tires, while braking is handled by J.1 4-piston radial calipers and a 300mm front disc, paired with dual-channel ABS that can be switched off at the rear for off-road riding. Ground clearance stands at a confident 180mm. The Zontes 368G stands out by offering high-end technology as standard. It features a large 8-inch color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, navigation mirroring, and tire pressure and temperature monitoring. Built-in front and rear Full HD dash cameras record every ride automatically, supported by 128 GB of internal storage. Practicality is boosted by a massive 52-liter underseat compartment that can fit 2 full-face helmets. Rider aids include keyless 3.0 ignition, switchable traction control, 2 riding modes, Eco and Sport, and standard heated grips, while full LED lighting, with auto brightness headlights and integrated fog lights, ensures excellent visibility in all conditions. As of January 2026, the Zontes 368G remains a strong and competitive alternative to the Honda ADV 350 and Yamaha X-Max, with pricing starting at approximately 28,800 Malaysian ringgit in Malaysia, and ranging from about 4,999 to 5,199 British pounds in the United Kingdom, excluding on-road costs.